Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Me Feby Cynthia Dewi. I'm from class 6C. Okay, here I want to explain about my draft proposal. The title: The Influence of Reading Novel English and Grammar Mastery to the Narrative Writing Ability at Grade 8 of SMP IT Az-Zahra, Bandar Lampung, periode 2021 sampai 2022. So, background of the problem: as one of the basic language skills, reading influences individuals' personalities, values, and interests. This influence might create affective change. Moreover, reading skill can be applied for several purposes, such as for school texts and through life, because it is a beneficial lifelong skills. So, identification and limitation of the problem, focus and subfocus of the research. Based on the background of the study above, the problem of this study may be identified as follows. A. The student cannot write well because they do not have a good grammar competence. B. Students feel hard to write because they do not know how to develop the topic and they get stuck in the middle of writing. And C. Students are lack of word choice or vocabulary in writing process. So, formulation of the problem. The writer formulates the problem of this research as follows. 1. Does reading novel English influence students' writing narrative ability? The second, does grammar mastery influence students' writing narrative ability? Third, does reading novel English and grammar mastery influence student narrative writing ability? C. Objective of the research. Based on the research question above, the objective of this study is find out first, whether or not reading novel English influence student writing ability. Second, whether or not grammar mastery influence student writing ability. Third, whether or not reading novel English and grammar mastery influence student writing ability. And then the significance of the research. First, for writers, this research can find whether there is a significant influence between reading novel English and grammar mastery on writing narrative ability. And second, for English teacher and learners, the finding of the research can inform about the relationship between reading novel English and grammar mastery on student writing narrative ability. The third, for further researchers who are interested in correlation research, they can reach basic information from this research, so they can do their research deeper and better than this research. So, relevance research. The influence of reading habit and grammar mastery on student writing ability at English education program. Second is college students' reading habit related to their reading ability. And the last, impact of reading on student writing ability. So, for research method, the design of this research is quantitative approach with correlation research. So, population and sample. The population is class 8 at SMP IT Az-Zahra School, and sample is class A, class A and B. So, research instrument, questionnaires and tests, and then technique of data analysis, descriptive and statistical analytic. So, literature review. Reading is an essential for students in order to cope with the new knowledge in a changing world. This is reasonable enough due to the fact that the fast-growing information is recorded and issued through media such as television, internet, radio, magazine, and e-books. The source of information is easily accessible. Through reading, students can access the latest information. So, definition of grammar according to the Huddleston and Pullum 2010 stated that grammar deals with the form of sentence and smaller units such as clause, phrase, and word. Mastery over word helps speakers to communicate their emotion and purpose more effectively. Okay, that's all about my presentation for final project. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.